Well, hello boys and girls. Today we're going to teach you how to fix a drywall hole in rural Africa. The things that you'll need: sheetrock, a piece of wood, probably a 1x4, a drill, a good pencil, a good knife, a good tape measure, and then you also need some drywall tape, and I prefer to use the mesh one myself. Now the first thing you'll have to do is you want to see how far over your stud is. If your stud is really far, then what we'll do is we'll put 2 pieces of wood in. Otherwise, you can actually take this back and use your drywall knife and cut this back. So if your stud is here in the wall, what you'll do is you'll cut your drywall over and use half of this stud. So you just cut your drywall to half, because you want this piece of drywall that's still on the wall still here, and then the one you're attaching can attach right to this. And then what we'll do is we'll take your wood and we will cut this down so it fits, and you want probably about 3 inches on either side. So you'll tuck this puppy in, and then you'll put screws in here, 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 and here. And so what we've done is we've given ourselves a place to actually screw to. If your stud is way over, then you're going to have to do this on the other side as well. After that's done, what you want to do is take your drywall, your sheetrock, whatever you want to call it, and measure the size of your hole. Then you measure it on here. And the way that you cut sheetrock is you just go on one side, and then you can break it, and then you go on the other side and cut the rest of it. So once you have your piece that fits in, you'll take your drywall screws and you'll screw here, 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 and then here, 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 here. And so now you have a piece of sheetrock in the wall that fits. The next thing you'll do is you want to get a knife. For the sake of our lesson today, we'll use this, but you usually have like a 9-inch blade that you use that's specifically for sheetrocking, and you take mud and you put mud on the corners, and then you'll take a mesh tape and you'll actually rub that in, and you do that for all sides like that. And then you just kind of smooth it out once all of the tape is on, and you just let that dry. And then the next day you would do a very quick sand and then apply another coat, and all you're trying to do is get out like the little bumps or anything like that, and you'll probably end up putting 2 or 3 coats on. And that's about it. That is fixing a hole in rural Africa. Bam!